Here's how we transform a gravel driveway using asphalt millings. First, we remove all the dead grass and weeds to clear the surface. Then, we loosen the existing gravel. This step is key for creating a solid bond with the new material. Next, we spread the asphalt millings evenly across the driveway, leveling it out for a smooth surface. Using a bucket, we grade everything to perfection, ensuring proper drainage and a clean finish. Finally, we roll it all down, compacting the millings into a durable, long-lasting surface.